Hello and welcome to my TD Pages review. TD Pages is a subservice of OLSP, but it's also available without an OLSP membership. It's basically a landing page builder you can use to create well-looking landing pages very fast. It includes done-for-you opt-in templates for the mega link, a drag-and-drop page builder, and it can connect to a lot of different Autoresponder integrations. The main goal is to build your email list with it. Now, let's take a look inside. Here in the template section, you can find a lot of landing pages designed directly for OLSP. But there are also templates for other purposes like discounts, Christmas offers, bans, product launches, and more. There are also bio-link pages and many other different types. You can just click on a template and import it to start, or you can create a new campaign from scratch. This lets you build a page or a pop-up starting from a blank canvas, one of your own saved templates, or from the marketplace. When you start from blank, it brings up the editor. Here you can add components like media, text, and forms. There are also marketing widgets for things like a Shopify integration or a quiz, as well as countdown timers, geolocation features, and tracking codes. For example, you can add an opt-in form. You can drag and drop it and resize it to match your design. To connect it, you click on the form and go to its settings. Here you can choose to connect via API or an HTML form code. With the API, you can select from your connected autoresponders and choose which list to add subscribers to. Once you save a page, it appears in your campaigns dashboard. From here, you can see its analytics, and you can also add different variations to run a split test. Let's try importing a template. It loads directly into the editor. You can change all the text and elements. When you click on the email form, you can go to Settings to choose your autoresponder and list. You can also add a tag. A smart feature is that you can add the subscriber to multiple lists at once if you want. This template has multiple steps: the opt-in page, and a thank you page. In the form settings, you can define what happens after submission. You can either show the next step in the funnel, which is the thank you page, or redirect to a specific URL. The thank you page itself contains a redirect element, which in this case is set to go to the OLSP Academy, but you can change this URL. In the workspace settings, you can manage your integrations. I have Aweber and a webhook connected. If you add a new integration, you'll see there are a lot of options, including Google Sheets, Zapier, Sendinblue, GetResponse, Mailchimp, and many others. Under Installation, you can see how to publish your pages. You can install a WordPress plugin to connect your site, or you can get a universal embed code to use on any HTML-based website. There are also options for using a custom domain name. So that's pretty much it. You can have your page set up in about 5 minutes. It's a pretty cool service if you need to build landing pages for your business. You could also build them on a platform like System.io, even on the free tier, but this is a lot less work and provides all the templates for you.